Hey guys, it's mcfixit here. I've got a new product I'm going to go ahead and test out today. This is called the Xlayout, the X Pocket. This is a magnetic card wallet holder, and it holds cards and cash on the back of a phone. So it uses that MagSafe technology to hold it. It also allows you to prop it up. You can see right here, it opens up. It even should prop up your phone. So we're going to go ahead and open it up and test it out now. To open it up, you're just going to go ahead and cut open the back here. And it should slide out just like so. You're going to get some instructions. It does come with an extra ring if your phone does not have it. A little piece of paper there. And right here is the device itself. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. This has a little invitation membership card, a product certificate, a service card, more information on some other devices that they have, and then how to go ahead and set it up. You can put cards and cash and everything else in here. So has lots of pictures, also has other languages if you speak other languages. So pretty simple device. So first thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and pull this and peel that up. So this works by connecting it to your device, and it does stay securely on there. It has the feature to kind of kickstand it out, and that would allow you to have access to view phone videos. So you do have the ability to turn it sideways and watch as well. Then if you ever want to take it off, it does come off pretty easily. And then we'll go ahead and open this up. And this allows you to have some rooms for cash and cards. So we'll go ahead and get some cash. Hold it up a couple of times. Go ahead and stick it in there. Then everybody has to have some gift cards or credit cards. And you can go ahead and fit those right in there. Close that back up, lock it up. It stays on there. You can shake it all you want. Open it up, be able to use your phone. Close it, do whatever you need to. And then when you want, you can open it back up, have access to your cards and anything else that you have in here. You probably could even put a house key or something like that in there. And then it does lock it back up. Pretty awesome looking device right here. Overall, I think it feels secure. You have the ability to take it off. So I do like that you have the ability to open it up here, get whatever you need out of it, close it, it locks securely. It works as a stand, both directions. It still allows you to take photographs as well, which is really important, at least for me, and is just a very nice, sleek design. Doesn't add a whole lot to your phone. I'll definitely show you a little comparison. This is my normal wallet, and so yeah, it's old and nasty, I know, but it is quite thick, and you can tell it's not near as thick as this wallet is right here. And I know I keep lots of receipts and stuff. You still have the ability to do that in here, but it is a nice little setup. If you do have any questions, make sure to put them in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful for you to see if this would be a product that you could use on a daily basis. This is, again, the Xlayout X Pocket. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.